I faced humiliation, isolation and interrogation, like I was a criminal but never wasting a second of alchemization.
How come I'm facing a comeback like a second coming erasing Satan's nation?
Even though I never left in the first place, finishing this race in first place.
Cause numbing of my heart never took a part in my rise.
As I become so tapped into a frequency of love
that's freeing to me, just by being me. We were meant to see, by planting the seed and letting the universe water it.